Hope you can all hear me. Good morning. Oh, we have PPI today. I think we should stream this. What do you guys think? PPI, should we stream it? Family, please don't forget to like the stream. We're going to start shortly. Please suggest the scripture there just before we start. Please suggest the scripture there. Okay, for those of you that are in our group, you would know that I have sold Germany yesterday. I'll take you guys through it just now. Just waiting for a scripture, then we can start. Let me read you guys something quickly. I know you choppers like the book of Proverbs. Okay, Proverbs chapter number 11, verse number 10 says, verse 11 rather, through the blessings of the upright, a city is exalted, but the mouth of the wicked, it is destroyed. Power of the tongue, power for what you say with your mouth. I think it is very important, especially in this era where things are being destroyed quickly. So the scripture clearly tells us that we need to be careful when it comes to what we say with our mouth. So we decree and declare that today is a beautiful day. It is indeed a profitable day. Let's make some money, folks. Let's make some money. Be careful what you say with your mouth, because you might just get it. Alright, folks, please make sure that you like the stream. Make sure that you do like the stream. Today I just feel like we're gonna make money, and a lot of it. If you agree with me, let me know. If you agree, let me know. If you agree with me that today we're making some coins, let me know. Okay, let's start with prayer. Father, in Jesus' name, Lord, thank you for giving us the life that you've given us. Thank you for giving us hope, courage. Thank you for giving us the strength that we need in these difficult times. We are praying that you show us the way, you guide us, the cloud of glory, the same cloud that was with your Israelites is the same cloud we are asking that you grant it to us so that we get direction and we move accordingly to your will. We are asking this in the name of Jesus. And may the chopper say amen and amen. Folks, let's work. What are we doing? Okay, so I'm gonna just take you guys through the trade that I took yesterday. Why did I sell German? Why did I sell German? Something. Okay, so something happened yesterday, and I wanna share it with you guys. I've shared it on the group, and I'll show you what I mean. Something really happened yesterday. I think if you've been trading for some time, you are well aware of what I'm gonna be discussing now. I just want to show you guys something. Let me show you this. So this is what I have sent on the group, right? So I've got two pictures here, and I just want to take you through this. Okay, so please be with me here. Just want to show you something. So I said, hey team, I just wanted to share two pictures from my recent trade. One shows the execution where I had a close below view up, and the other one shows a different scenario where the close wasn't below the view up. This difference is crucial, okay? Because sometimes the broker you use on TradingView can cause a bit of discrepancies. So always double check these details to avoid missing out on good trades. I'm still holding the trade. This is what I've sent on the group. Now, this was yesterday in the afternoon. You see where I've circled here with the yellow marker. That is where I executed. But one would say, but MJ, why would you sell it there? Because that's not a close below view up, okay? I know one can ask, why did you sell it there? That's not close to view up, okay? And I'll be honest with you, man, I'll take full responsibility. I messed up this trade. I really messed up this trade, but it's fine. So I took a trade here. So on this chart, it was not below view up, but check this out. On where I execute my trades, look at this. Where I execute my trades, just have a look. The close below view up, can you see? We have it here, an indecision candlestick. At the same time, so the different time frames or different brokers that you use on TradingView, it matters a lot because because I'm having like different screens, right? So I'm looking at a lot of charts. So I think this was Owanda. Okay, it did not close below view up, but when you look at another broker, there is a close below view up. Then that's why I took this trade. Almost hit my TPOM, but I didn't even adjust this thing. I just let it ride. Okay, so I'll tell you where I messed up this trade. I was supposed to at least put my stop loss on break even to protect this trade. So it is important, family, when you, okay, so let me just show you something. Can you see here it says Rwanda, right? And look at how the candlestick is like. Look at this here. Let me show you what is happening. Look at this, right? This is Rwanda. Okay, now let's put another one. Let's put another different broker. Let's say, for example, IC markets. You see, it's quite different. Can you see? Okay, so I'm gonna switch on VWAP. So on IC markets, we are well above VWAP. Okay, and I think even on the other one we are. So let's look at it, Rwanda, in terms of the printing of the candlesticks. Can you see it's different? Okay, so that's what happened. So you see here on the yellow line, let me remove this. Okay, I want you to see something here. I'll take it back. I want you to see something. Let me remove this and show you. Can you see that on Rwanda I don't have it close below VWAP? Look at this. Yeah, look, I don't have it close below VWAP. I'm above VWAP. Okay, now let's put another broker. Let's put a different broker, and I think I've showed you guys this before, right? This is nothing new. Okay, look at it. Here I am below VWAP there. On this one, IC markets, I'm below VWAP. So these are small things, sometimes we overlook them and they really matter a lot. All right. So that's what happened yesterday. I sold it here. I'm now at my break-even point. One can say, President, close it. Nah, there's no need. We made good amount of money this week. There's no need. I messed it up. I was supposed to put my stops on break-even. And this was late at night. This was around 10:30. And I'm looking at this thing. I'm like, oh my word. I'm going to wake up to TP. But yeah. Let's see. Guys, you are quiet. You are quiet. What's happening? Please talk to me. What are you trading today? Okay, gold is up by 1%. Someone was asking me, President, do you think that we're reversing at 4,006? Said no, we are still buying gold. We are not done. We're really not done with gold. Gold is pushing nicely up to the upside. I like what I see. One can say, excuse me. One can say, where can we enter this? Okay, so allow me to go to a higher time frame. Just want to show you something. Alright, so we had a break above this key level here. This thing is taking time to respond. I don't know why. We broke above it, retested, went nicely there to the upside. Where can we reload more positions on this? I would say the same level that we initially had wanted to reload, which is $4,618 per ounce. From this area here, you can go up again. Okay, reload more positions. So I'm still bullish on gold. I told you on Monday that don't sell gold. Don't sell it. Silver up by 3.8%. Oh my word, silver is just doing the most. Look at what is happening. So this was our analysis yesterday, we said that reload here at $83.56 and go up. Okay, so we are still bullish here. We broke above this key level here. As long as we're still above $89, we can still go up. Okay, let's look at euro dollar. So yesterday I wanted to scalp euro dollar. Let me show you what happened yesterday. I wanted to scalp this here and make a counter, but I didn't have a good candlestick pattern for me to go up to the upside. I was gonna bank something like 12 pips because I wanted this on 5 minutes. Today, what are we doing? So we broke above this level here. Allow me to do so. Okay. So how I see this is we need to break above $1.1653 first before we can say we can go to the upside. Because my worry with this is that if you take a buy here, it might do this, then go to the upside, you know. So, or it might do this, play around with you, and go to the downside. So I would say now, since it's ranging, wait for a break above or below when you can go up or down. British pound USD. Okay, so for those of you that joined us on Monday, we had a buy here. We hit TP on GU there. So I'm simply also marking this area here. I want to see how we handle this level. I want to see it on 1 hour, by the way. Why is it taking time to respond, this thing? I don't like it. Okay, so I really want to see how we handle this level here. I'm going to put my alert here. Just going to put my alert here. Yep, just going to put my alert here. Just want to see what is happening there. If we retest this level, one can say, let's go down. I wouldn't want to do that. It's too easy to see. Because this is what we might get. And we get this thing go up. On a lower time frame, we are having our FIB at 786. Where? Here. Then we reload more positions and we can go up there. Okay, so that's how I see British pound USD. NAS 100. Okay, so we've marked this $25,668. This is where we've marked. I'm gonna sell this, man. I'm going to sell this. Well, below view up, I'm selling nice 100 today. I know some of you will say, who trades with trend lines, will say, President, wait for the trend line to break. I don't have to wait for that. I'm gonna sell it. I'm selling this thing. I'm selling this thing. Okay, US 30. My German is still on break even. Okay, US 30. So we have a key level here. There's another one here. I think you already know the drill. So we failed to break above this key level for how many times now? 3 times. So this is a chance that we can retest this level, 49,080, and then go down. Okay, so I'm like almost bearish in all my indices. Almost bearish in all my indices. German, I'm still holding the trade. Let me delete this here. I want it here. I wanna see something. When the session opens now at 10. Yeah, man. So when the session opens, I just hope it will not open to the upside, stop me out and go my direction. I hate being in a trade before session open. I hate it so much. That's what I'm saying. I messed up. I messed up this trade. Really messed up. Okay. I really messed up this so much. Okay, so I just want to show you guys something. Excuse me. I don't know, I'm coughing, man. Not this one. Where are you? You guys are quiet in the chat today. I don't know what's going on. Just want to show you guys something. So this just something I wanna show you guys. So I want to speak to our AI. I went short on German 40. Okay, so I want to be communicating with the AI while I'm doing this German, right? So that I can get clarity on certain things. So the AI is telling me that German 40 can move fast, especially during European session. Let's make sure you position properly. Give me the details and let's see how we can manage this trade for you. Okay, so I'm gonna this is what I'm gonna do, right? Okay, so I've got my alert there. So this is what I'm gonna 450, 5,450. Entry at 24,550. All right. Look at how smart this AI is, man. So it says, all right, Chopper, I see your entry 24,550 on German 40 shot. That's a nice around psychological level. Institution love to play around those big numbers. Now, what I need to know is what's your stop loss, take profit. Like you are at the key level, but I want to make sure you protected this thing. You protected this thing if it decides to push higher. Are you seeing any rejection from view up or any daily resistance? Okay, so the AI wants me to tell it about my stops. Okay, so let me do this. So my stops is at stop loss is at 25459 and TP is at 25331. Okay, so let's see. Session has just opened now. It's 10 o'clock. Session has just opened now. I'm just still communicating with the AI. Okay. Okay. Stop loss 25459 and TP 25331. Okay. You said you went short at 245. Okay, so let me do this. Entry 25414 and then stop loss is 25459.75 and TP profit is at 25331.33. Oh, so it seems like I put my numbers wrong and this thing was able to rectify me. So you say now you are talking chopper, those numbers make much more sense. So you short on German with your stop loss at 255, blah 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 blah, your risk reward. Okay, so can you see now by just putting the price, it's telling me that my risk reward is roughly 1.18, right? So almost 1:2. Not bad, but we prefer, because there you go, it says we prefer 1:2. So the AI knows how we trade. The good, keep your stop tight at less than 50 points. You've got a decent target that gives you almost double your risk. Your entry, it puts that price for 25,000 is close to that psychological level. Blah 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 blah. Questions for you: what time frame setup? So can you see now the AI just wants to get deep, man. Let me say 15 min time frame. So the developer is also working on the speed of this thing, right? So this is what the AI says. Good stuff, Chopper. The 15-minute time frame is solid for intraday entries. Give you enough detail without noise. Since you're on 15 minutes, man, there's just a lot of information. So now it says stay focused and let the trade come to you. We are building wealth, one discipline, trade at a time. Man, if you don't have this AI coach, I don't know, man. I really don't know. I see there are some people that are trying to copy our work, and we see them. So this is what happened. So I showed you guys this AI that we have developed, right? I've been talking about this for some time now. Now let me make you laugh. I've been talking about this AI for quite some time now. Now let me make you laugh. Some people saw what we are doing and they are trying to do the same thing. So yesterday I had a meeting with my developer and I said, scrap something. So we are developing another one. So we're going to have 3 AIs. One will help you with psychology. One will help you with the technical analysis and fundamentals. And the other one is going to help you pass a prof firm. Okay. So an AI like this can easily make you pass a prof firm. So you can take a link from a prof firm and then just upload it on the AI and say to the AI, listen, I'm on this phase of this prof firm. Help me pass it. And not only pass the prof firm, but also sustain you. Okay. So I see some clowns are busy trying to copy our work. We see them, but we are quiet. Competition is good. I like competition, so bring it on. Bring it on. This industry doesn't have unique people, man. We haven't even launched this, but they're already copied, so let them keep up. There's something we are also busy with. I won't mention it here because this copycats will be copying. They're copying our work without even launching. What more when we launch? This thing is still a prototype, but look at how accurate it is. Having this person, this robot or bot, 24 hours helping you with the risk. Because some of you guys, you make a deposit of $100, you don't know how to trade it. You just all over the place. You don't know where you put your stop loss. You don't know your psychological levels, but this AI coach can help you with that, okay? So I can say I can, let me say I'm nervous, right? Or I'm afraid of the trade. Let's see. Excuse me, guys. I don't know why I'm coughing. Yeah, I say here, Chop. I hear you. You know what? The fear is actually your trading instincts talking to you. To ignore that. Now look at this AI, man. Now it's giving me solutions to how I can get off my feelings of this trade. If you're afraid of this trade, ask yourself why. Is it because your position side is too big or comfort? You didn't see clear enough confirmation before entry. The market is moving against you, invalidating your setup. Okay, so let me say the market is against me. Okay, so I just told the AI that the market, because okay, so sometimes you guys are in a trade, you don't know what to do. Should I close? Should I do this? Should I do this? Should I do that? Relax, you've got this. So it says, all right, Chopper, listen to me. The market is telling you something. You're smart to be listening. If the market is moving against your setup, you're feeling the fear. That's your experience talking. Don't fight it. The best traders know when they admit they got it wrong and protect their capital. There is no trophy for holding losing trades. Here's what I want to consider. I want you to consider right now. Is your original setup still valid or has the market changed? How much your drawdown for your entry at 24,414? Can you afford to let this run at your full stop at 25,459? Or is it going to mess up with your... Okay, so I say I can afford to lose this. The trade is well against me and I'm almost to my SL there. Now let's see. Okay, so it's saying good, Chopper. That's the right mindset. If you can afford the loss, then you size the trade correctly. Let's take emotional pressure off. Now that man, I can just imagine like you trading with this thing 24 hours. So All these clowns that are busy copying my work and they're doing cut and paste with their work, I see you boys. I see you. Try me. I haven't even launched this, but clowns already are all over social media and talking about how they are making 24-hour. Since when somebody spoke about 24-hour trading AI coach in the industry? We just spoke about this 2 weeks ago. The whole of December, we've been developing this. Now, clowns are coming in and they want to take credit for our work. I see you boys. Try me. So with that being said, we are now developing more AIs that will help you with prop firm challenges. Bring it on. I'm asking the AI, should I okay, so should I close the trade now? Chopper, I can't make that call for you. This is your money and your trade, but I can help you think it through like a pro. Ask yourself this question right now. What does the 15-minute chart look like compared to what you've entered? Is the bearish structure you saw still there, or has it broken? Are you asking because you are panicking or because analysis is generally invalidated? I'm in panic. Okay, so it says, Chopper, stop. Take a deep breath now. Panic is the enemy of trading decisions. You are in panic mode and you're not thinking clearly. You're just reacting, and that's what traders blow accounts. Now, you've got 3 steps. Here's what you're going to do right now. Step away from the screen for 30 seconds. This is what I always tell you guys. If you feel like you are overwhelmed with information, step away from your screen. Take 3 deep breaths. Remember, you said you can afford this loss. If you panic, so this is all psychological, man. You guys are always worried about emotions all over the place. Your technical analysis, most of you guys, you can trade. But the thing is, your emotions are always all over the place. So you've got this to assist you with that. Let me handle this clown here. There's a clown I need to handle here. Giving you just shocked me, my man. You also on this AI selling business. Focus on, you are a clown, I'm blocking you. This is a clown, I'm blocking you. I'm blocking you. You are a clown. Tumelo Samora, you are a clown. Let me block this clown here. I'm blocking that clown. It's amazing how you find a fool coming on my stream and talk about focus on technical analysis. How foolish and how stupid can you be? This is all psychology. It's not technical. You are foolish, you are stupid, you don't focus. You don't know what we're doing here. So I'm blocking you. I don't need such people on my stream. Talk about technical analysis and you are in the AI selling business. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I will hold the trade and wait for stop loss. Some people, man, the reason why South Africa right now, they want, or I blame the government, this 35% pass rate. You come here and you're going to tell us about technical analysis. Okay, so I've just told the AI now, Chopper, I can't make, oh, okay, so we've passed that part. Okay, it says, all right, Chopper, I respect that decision. You've made your choice and you're sticking to your plan. That takes discipline. So since you're holding on your stop at 25,459, here's what you need to know. close the charts, set an alert, stop level that you haven't already, walk away, get some water, fresh air. Now, can you see what this does to you? I mean, if you are in a trade, you're losing some money, and you don't know what to do, you are panicking, you don't have trading partners, and you don't know who to talk to. There you go. There you go. Okay, so Germany is now trading 25,480, almost to our SL level. Yeah, no, I had to block that clown. Harold is saying someone is already out there selling AI 2.0 already. I promise you, you're gonna see a lot of them. You're gonna see a lot of them. To be honest, I messed up this trade. I really messed up this trade. I could have just, look at how close I was to my TP. Didn't really follow my rules. If you are like 75% to your TP, put your stop loss on break even. The reason why I didn't do that, I think during this time I was sleepy, man. This was around 10:30 and I couldn't manage the trade. I messed it up. I messed up this trade, to be honest with you. I messed up a very good trade. Messed up a good trade. I messed up a good trade. I messed up a good trade. And this is what potentially can happen. This thing doing a false move, session open. I'm now out. Messed up a good trade. I really messed up a good trade. Let me forward this to the group. Okay, I've just sent it to. I've just sent an update to the group. Seems like I'm still in. Seems like I'm still in. There it is. Messed up a good trade. Okay, so basically, then what I need to do once this thing triggers my stops, basically what I do is I can leave the chat and go to journal, right? Once now, if I've lost the trade, or I can even ask the AI to help me describe what I was feeling, right? So I can say German, excuse my spelling, guys, German 40, and put the date, and say short. Then I can put the amount in dollars. If it's like $250, then once I'm done, I can say save entry, and what it will do is that it will record everything here. Okay, so where's the clown that is talking about technical analysis? What does admin have to do with technical? Some people are just stupid. I'm sorry, but some people are just retarded. Dumb. What does this have to do with technical analysis? What does journaling have to do with technical analysis? Okay, so I'm still in. I'm just by my stops. I'm really just by my stops. Someone said trading AIs and trading bots can only do so much for you if you are not the one that made it and it's available to everyone. Agree with you, my friend. Savage say I must forgive them. I hate working with clowns. I hate being around clowns. I so much hate it. I hate it. Informative channel say it will reverse ad 7:30, Mr. President. It won't hit your stop loss. I think I must tell the AI that I've got people here that are very positive. This might be a false move, man. That's what I'm saying. I messed up a good trade. Look at how much I was up by. How many? Look at that, 68 pips. I was up by 68 pips, and for some reason I messed it up. It happens, and I think that's why we need the live streams, because this is where we are revealing that we are human beings as well. Someone said the metric pass rate has only been increasing over the years, so unless they made a test easier, there shouldn't be that much dumb people in the future. Man, I promise you. I promise you. I don't know. I think maybe they made the papers to be easy. I really don't know. Like how does a human being come on the chat and sees us talking to an AI, helping us with the admin, helping us with psychology, and says focus on technical analysis? Like how really stupid can you be? Like how do you wake up in the morning and breathe the same air as such a human being? I'm sorry, but that is dumb. That is stupid. That is very much stupid. That's why we are afraid to tell people that we are traders, man, because we've got a lot of dumb people that are surrounding us, and these are our colleagues for that matter. It's amazing. It boggles my mind, man. So I don't know, someone maybe they made the thing to be easier. I believe so. I think so. I believe so. Yeah. Stephen is saying, forgive him, he knows nothing, Mr. President. Yeah, I forgive that clown. Mr. Patel is saying, remember, some did not finish school thinking trading is easier than school. Yeah, it's sad, man. So sad. So sad. It's so sad. And this is what I normally say with Mobile, right? That most of these clowns, they have so much strength to speak on social media, right? But you meet them in person. You meet them at the FMAs and stuff. Oh my word. They run away. They can't face you and talk to you and challenge you, right? I like to be challenged, but challenge me fundamentally. Have facts. I like it. If somebody will challenge me even on the stream and say, President, that price that you have there, for me, I don't agree with you because of facts. 1, 2, 3. You see what you have done there? That creates a room for me to also see another perspective I didn't see. But when you find a clown that is coming here, you are selling the AI, you are selling, oh my word. Oh my word. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. All right, now we're trading at $4,623.18 per ounce. Remember, we can reload only at this level. If we are holding this price, maybe we can take some buy orders and go to the upside, right? That's what we can do. But right now my focus is on this German, man. I need a drop. 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 Dumelo Mpendu is saying, damn, I heard you say Dumelo, then I was like, Yenzeni, but what did I do? The president's fixing the country step by step. No, I didn't mean, I meant the other Dumelo. I meant that clown. I meant not you, my friend. It's unfortunate that you're sharing your name with that clown. It's very unfortunate that you're sharing your name with that clown. Informative, that's what we need, my friend. I need that. Oh man, imagine being up by 68 pips and throw that all away. And throw that all away. Let's go, German. Okay, I just want to show you guys something, right? Let me show you this. Can you see how many? So we've got like 2 indecision candlesticks, right? On 15 minutes, German 40, I'm on 0 under. Look at what IC markets has. Can you see? Look at IC markets. Look. No indecision candlestick. In fact, we are having some vector candles there. That's the difference I was telling you about. Some of you, I'm sure you're having a different candlestick. There's no rejection candle on the index from IC markets, but if you go on the index for Wanda, we are having 2 indecision candlesticks. And you see that? By the way, guys, today we have a webinar. This is the webinar we're going to be having. We're going to be talking about the use of AI and trading in 2026. Please be sure that you attend the webinar. It's a free webinar, by the way. It's a free webinar, by the way. So just make sure that you attend. Today we're on. Today we're on 7 o'clock on Zoom. Make sure that you do attend. Someone said intervening in the East is also not an easy task. That is Russia and China. Russia and China's backyard after what he did to Venezuela. I don't think they will just leave Trump be. I don't know, man. Like and by the way, guys, go check out the latest episode that was dropped yesterday or yesterday evening on Top Trader South Africa or Top Trader Network rather. This is what I was also sharing with Moby there, that I don't know, man. Like what I normally see is that US always makes moves, though they are not drastical moves, but it seems like they take time. I don't know. I feel like they take time. Like they don't intervene. Yeah, I know. And when it comes to war, you need a strategic approach. You cannot just attack and so. But I don't know, man. In my opinion, Samuel, I just think Russia and China will just say, "Well, we see you, just don't come near us," and they won't protect those allies, like Venezuela. That's how I see it, but I could be wrong, you know. But that's how I see it. That's how I see it. All right, so we had a percentage move on gold. We had a 1% move there on gold. We are now playing around our view up. Like I said, let's see if 4619 will hold. Then we can take a position there. Euro dollar, I spoke about this earlier on. We are just consolidating between these two price tags there. So if you break below it, that might open up a room for us to make a new low. And when it comes to British pound USD, again, we are seeing this market just moving sideways. So let's see if we can break well below view up, then we can go down nicely with it. So we've been trying to reload more positions again on Brent crude oil. This is what is being happening. Can't remember the price. Why is this thing taking time? Okay, so we have $62.13 per barrel there on oil. This is where we wanted to buy. Reload again here. Reload at $61.62. Okay, so where can we buy it again? So let's see if we can, how we handle this level here. Okay, if we hold this level, we might buy again there at 63.61. I just want to check something here on gold. Please allow me to have a clean chart here. Just want to see something. Okay, so we've got POC at 4633. If we do get it close below though, then everything might change. Okay, only if we get a close below view up, but since we are well above it, this thing can simply make a new high. Okay. German, let's go. German, let's go. German, let's go. Now, okay, so I also want to show you something. So can you see where my view up is at? Look at the blue price here, 25455. This is where I've got my view up, 25455, 30 cents. Right? This is Owanda. Now look at IC markets. Look at IC markets. Look at IC markets. 25400. That's like $55 difference there in terms of space. for where view up is at. Be careful, folks. Just be careful. Just be careful. Gentlemen, let's go. Come on, German, let's go. If I maintain a close below view up, I might be safe. AUD USD. Okay, so AUD USD. So AUD USD, we've got an impulsive movement here. We corrected, went back to this key area here. That's my take there, Harold. Wait to break below 66 cents. Then we can go down. Gold went back to 1%. Guys, please like the stream. Can you please like the stream for your boy there? Someone say if the new Fed chair also fails to cut interest fast, it will also cause volatility. There is a good chance he fails if the FOMC members don't get changed. Yeah, remember, he does not make decisions alone. So, yeah. Right, if you just joined us, we are on a German 40 sell. Please do like the stream. Like the stream, family. Guys, don't forget we are meeting tonight, 7 p.m. South African Standard Time on Zoom. I'll send you the stuff on the group. Silver is up by 3.8%. Still maintaining a close above $89. You know, most of our members have been saying we are sleeping on silver, man. And I agree. This thing really moves. It does move. It really moves. What is Nasdaq doing? Yeah, by the way, BTC, guys, remember we spoke about it, close above 100,000. Let's buy it. We're buying it at 100,000. It's moving nicely, smooth. So there is 100,000 here. There's 100,000. We buy in there. Bitcoin. Come on, let's go, German. I need that close below view up. I need this close below view up. Tumelo say, Tumelo the clever one. Obviously said it's because they want to avoid full-scale war, but we stopped you from dropping gems, and it was an interesting episode. Yeah, man, guys, if you haven't watched that episode, please go on Top Trader Network channel and watch the latest episode tonight. Market Masters, I think, is dropping, if I'm not mistaken. Dumiso is saying, I just caught this 15-minute buy candle on silver and TP hit on the same candle. One is 1.8 RR. Well done, my friend. Silver still moving to the upside, up by 0.37%. Nice. One gets the president close that trade? No. We ain't closing this trade. We didn't enter this trade to close it. We entered it to whether win or lose. We need to maintain that close below VWAP, man, and we might be safe. We need a close below that VWAP, we might be safe. Are we getting it? Now we are above it. Okay, so the new candlestick is going to come out now. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, my friend. German is going to be the end of me. I need a close below. Come on. Alright, so the new candlestick is dropping in 3 minutes. That's our do or die. That's our do or die. I need another trade, man. You know what? I don't know why my system is taking time to open. Let me leave here and start over. Guys, please don't forget to like the stream. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, German. So the U candlestick is going to... I don't even want to end this stream. I want to hang around, guys. All right. We still here. Yeah, that is true. We need that close below. Nasdaq is still holding that 24,670 mark. If we break that level, there's a high possibility that we are going to drop massively also on German. Come on, let's go. Steven, do you mean high impact news or just fundamentals in general? No, not at all, Steven. Not at all, my friend. I only sometimes use fundamentals just to hedge. For those of you who just joined us, we are on a German 40 sal. Come on, let's go, German. Steven is saying, cool, most professional traders avoid news. Do you think trading news is gambling? I think it's all about the approach, my friend. I think if you trade news and you are able to protect your capital from trading news, it depends on how you say it. So it's all about the approach. I would say if it's gambling if you don't know what you're doing, you're just buying or selling, and you don't know how to preserve and protect your capital. I would say it's gambling. But if really you have an approach behind it, I don't see it as gambling. It's all about the approach. You know, some people go full margin on this news and they're just hoping. And I would say, man, that is serious gamble. It's not much of a gamble if you know that if the popo hits the fan, if the trade doesn't go against you, you know how you are protected. Then I can say it's a good approach. Yeah, some of you are watching and say, MJ, we want to join your team. We want to join your private group where you normally send this type of stuff and you interact with your members. This is the group, guys. We only have like 80 members. It's not a massive group where it's not controllable. If you want to join us, send me a text. On the description there is my number. There is my number. These are setups that were sent, is it today? This was yesterday. This is Cryptum too. And we had a class last night for beginners with Mr. Butelezi. Mr. Butelezi is a legend, man. He's a legend. So we had a class last night only for our private members, but the class for tonight is for everyone. It's for everybody. It's for all of you guys. Come on, German, let's go. You know what I'm going to do? I think, because this price is really holding. If we arrive at this price, I'm taking my TP there. I don't have a choice. I wouldn't want to do that, but I have to. German, let's go. Yeah, man, we need to maintain a close below this view up, then we're good. And we can't panic. Then we're still good. We're still good. Let me update the group. Come on, German, let's go. Can you see the candlestick here that I have on my entry? Look at that. It's different from what you guys are seeing here. Different. Look. Look at how this thing almost, just almost stopped me out. Almost. Trading is a beautiful game, man. It's a beautiful game. Beautiful game. Let's go, German. Patient pace. Look at that trade, indeed, my friend. So in actual fact, this was a false move. Session open. Allow me to have this thing like this. Let me get a actual price here. There it is, 2549.75. I gotta bounce now, guys. I have to leave. I have to bounce. If you join me on this trade, you don't know what to do, you let me know in the group whether you should close or what. Like I always say, use your own discretion, but you can. In fact, you see now, this is where the AI comes in place. Coming to the AI. let me say German trade is going well for me for now. Come on, Chopper here, I think. That's what I like to hear. The German markets can be solid since you're day trading with a moderate risk profile. Make sure you're staying disciplined with your position. Blah, 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 blah. The beautiful thing is that winning this trade, it can only quickly turn against you if you get it greedy. Take some profit along the way and protect your capital. What's your current risk reward looking at German setup? Let's chop the markets. We're staying smart about it, family. Risk to reward is perfect, Chopper. Exactly where we want to be. Solid risk management right there. You're following the rules and I can't wait to launch this AI. I really cannot wait. And like I said, some people are watching and they're trying to copy. All the best to them. All the best to them. German, come on, let's go. Family, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on Friday. Remember, no, we're seeing each other tonight, 8 p.m. No, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. tonight. We within. Okay, so I'll send the Zoom link on this group as well. This one here. See, I'll send it here. Zain, what went wrong, my friend? German 42 days. The reason why I want to stop trading. What happened, my friend? Talk to me before I leave. Talk to me, my friend. What happened? What happened? Emotional damage. What happened? Talk to me, Zay. Zain, I'm waiting for you. Folks, let me leave you guys. I'll see you tonight. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys. If you haven't liked this stream, please just do so now. Thank you. I'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. on Zoom. Cheers guys.